the new fresh project. So in this video we will talk about how to clone the project. Let's suppose you already have some project into the Git and you wanted to clone it. So how we can do that? So without wasting our time, we just go here in the code green icon, green button. We have code button. Here we have clone option inside. The three tabs are showing: HTTPS, SSH and GitHub CLI. So basically we will use HTTPS. I just copied it. So guys, let me tell you, I didn't tell you the step to install Git. So Git is basically a CLI command line you need to install to your machine, whether you are using Mac OS or you are using Windows or Linux. So all the steps you can find on the Google. You just need to type in the browser git install, then you will find many options there. So without wasting the time, I was thinking to tell you the important things. So what I can do is I can here I can so basically guys, now I need to clone this project. To clone this project, I have to go to any of the folder and I need to open the terminal on the same folder. So open terminal here, and the command we need to write here is, hope you can see it, otherwise let me put it so that you can view it. So hope you see this one now. So git clone, and the URL I have copied from here, and just enter here. So yeah, it's cloned here. If you can see, the Standard Chartered project has been cloned. Now let me open this into the IntelliJ. Okay, so my IntelliJ is opening. Here what I need to do is file, open, and I can directly go to the documents and git pro. This is my project which I have recently cloned. So trust project, click here and trust project. So it has been cloned to our system. Nothing, you can directly see those options here, commit, project, all those options are there. And if you do some changes, then you can commit and push, which we have learned in the previous video we talk about. So hope you understood the concept of cloning of a project. So for this video, that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to my channel, you can